I am Burley Mitchell. I graduated from North Carolina State in political science in what's now the College of Humanities and Social Sciences in 1966. Well, I'm currently practicing law in Raleigh with the law firm Womble Carlisle. Well, I went into public service really very young. I got out of law school and was an assistant attorney general in my 20s. And then I was, 32. I was elected district attorney for the 10th district, which is Wake County, North Carolina. From there, Governor Hunt appointed me to the North Carolina Court of Appeals, and then was appointed Secretary of Crime Control and Public Safety, and then went on the Supreme Court of North Carolina as an Associate Justice and served for, 15 years, and then became Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and was appointed, then elected to that position. I chaired the Governor's Crime Commission for a few years, was on the Courts Commission for a while, and have served in various other capacities, the Board of Trustees at NC State and the Board of Governors of the University of North Carolina system. I served on a few federal commissions for the Chief Justice of the United States, and it's just the ordinary things that would go with those positions I was elected to. I think that a liberal arts education is, as it has always been, something that makes a person a well-rounded individual. A certain exposure to the philosophies, to history, a elementary knowledge of the structure of government, not only how it works, the three branches, executive, judicial, and legislative, but why it was set up the way it was and what it was designed, the past problems that the current setup was designed to prevent. You can't really be a complete citizen in any respect if you don't have a broad knowledge, doesn't necessarily have to be tremendously deep, but a broad knowledge of the humanities. And then you can go on from there to do anything else but in a specialty area. But it's really good. And corporations in the early 21st century are finding out that the people with that diverse liberal arts background are more agile, more adjustable, more flexible, and able to adapt to the changes in the business world and the professional world and so on. If you're at all interested in the planet around you and humanity, you have to participate. Having had the blessing of an education and knowing where things fit together, and the history of mistakes that have been made and what the results were, you feel that you have to try to give your community, your state, the world, the benefit of that insight, and therefore participate wherever it is.